Alright, that worked. Got some adjustment out of it. Yep, got a little bit of grease up in there. It's to be expected, because I got some fluid splashing around. Yeah, and then that would be a pretty good cut right there. I think that's right on the exact same cut that I already had. It's a good one. It'll bleed later. It's okay. Hopefully I can get that on there without too much hassle. You can find my 9/16 up here. Yeah. Okay. Got some adjustment out of it. So up and then down would be tension. We'll see if we got the right size belts. Seems to be looking a little old and crusty. Which one's nicer and smaller? I think this one's looking smaller. A little bit cracked, but still burnout worthy. Alright, well, hopefully we don't get a little squeaky dakey. Pull that one off. Slide this one in. Come on now. There we go. This guy on. Kind of do a little mocky uppy. It's got a key on it. Would help if I had it the right way. Right there. Okay. Get that around there. That one's looking a little bit too small, so we'll go with the other one, even though it's not that great. Let's see what happens when you want to build hot rods. You just go through it. Little rust on there? Yeah, why not? Why not? So, once I get this thing running, I'll go get new belts, obviously, and then have to redo all this. Again, the adjustments. Come on. Okay. And that one is looking a little bit too big now. Oh, those are sharp. Those are super sharp. Okay, so that one is definitely too loosey-goosey. Can't tell if I just don't have enough adjustment. It's just starting to hit right there. And it probably is. Thought it ground enough down. Yeah, it looks alright. So what's stopping it from moving is the question. Oh, it's hitting that back bracket. Okay, well, maybe I just need to loosen this one up a little bit. Get a little bit out of it. the adjustment I get out of this one. I think it's just hitting right here. Yeah, it's hitting right there. Well, you know, sometimes you just gotta work backwards a little bit. Can't quite get in there. Take that off. It's hitting right. Should get a little bit more out of it. Alright, let's see if we made enough damage that time. Yeah. Yeah, see? Just enough to kind of hold it and see what kind of adjustment we get now. Oh yeah, way better. Okay, let's see if we can get this other one on here again. Maybe that was the problem. I don't know. Yeah, cha-cha, cha-cha. Yeah, that one's still just a little bit. You can get some more out of it. It's looking like it's already hitting again. A little bit more out of it. Nope, it's not gonna fit. So I need it to be a little bit bigger than that. So I'll go to the auto parts store and get something a little bit bigger. And we'll revisit this again.